Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike Runnalls over at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2003 Hummer H2, $60,000 in extras. Gorgeous truck. It's got the Asante wheels with the spinners. The spinners are in beautiful condition. They're chopper spinners, 6-spoke. This truck has just about everything chromed or everything billeted. Corsa Exhaust. $19,500 miles. Interior also has the charcoal wood upgrade. Bose stereo, moonroof, ride height control, heated seats. Let's have the manuals. It also has dual DVD players in the headrests. Audio box. Heated rear seats, so it's a luxury package. It's got the third row seat. Internal spare. There's the other 3 spinners. I have no idea what that is. $19,538 miles. Wood looks great in here. It's like a charcoal color. Beautiful truck. Got the air raid on it. Cooled air intake. I like the strut grills up here on the towers. Looks great. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. If you have any questions at all, give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, details, and information on our website. It's WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot.